What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Mishimoto channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to properly install our brand new performance air intake for the 2024 Plus Toyota Tacoma. So let's get started. For the first step, remove the 4 pop clips securing the inlet air scoop. Push the center of the clip down to disengage the barb, then remove the air scoop. Then remove the small ducting piece from the lower air box. Disconnect the MAF sensor plug and release the clip holding the MAF sensor harness. Then loosen the 2 clamps on the rubber intake hose. Then pull the hose off the airbox, and then remove the airbox and hose from the engine bay. Remove the 3 rubber grommets from the stock airbox and install them on the Mishimoto airbox. Then you can go ahead and remove the MAF sensor from the stock airbox and install it on the Mishimoto MAF housing with the included M4 hardware. Then assemble the large rubber grommet and air filter with the MAF housing as shown, and ensure the grommet is fully seated on the flange of the MAF housing. Make sure to tighten the worm gear clamp on the air filter. Up next, insert the MAF housing, grommet, and air filter assembly into the airbox. Push the assembly along the edge of the large grommet to engage the locking lip. Then rotate the assembly back and forth slightly to ensure the lip is fully seated. Next, slide the larger end of the silicone coupler onto the MAF housing. Then slip the 2 worm gear clamps onto the coupler. Do not tighten the clamps just yet. An optional rubber plug is included to seal off the secondary air inlet port on the fender side of the airbox. Up next, install the Mishimoto intake assembly into the engine bay by engaging the 3 bottom grommets with the 3 pegs as shown. After that, reconnect the MAF sensor and secure the harness with the provided zip ties as shown. Adjust the silicone coupler to align with the plastic turbo inlet pipe, then tighten the 2 worm gear clamps. And lastly, use the 2 out of the 4 pop clips previously removed from the stock air scoop to secure the front of the airbox to the radiator support. Alright guys, that is it for this install video, but of course if you want to purchase this product for yourself, hit the first link down below in the description, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you all on the next one.